Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here, TechFit360, coming at you with the HomePod video. Now, I had a HomePod unboxing video all done, but I lost it, and I'm not even gonna tell you how I did that. But hopefully I can recreate some of it in this already unboxing and setup of Apple's HomePod. Now, I always keep my Apple boxes because look at it. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. They always have a beautiful packaging. And plus, it definitely helps to sell if I ever decide to get rid of it. But inside the box, let's see. First of all, let's start with this right here. These, get some focus action going on here. All right, so this includes your instruction manual. See, this is a quick start guide right here. Right here, that's your quick start guide. You know, very simple to pair this device up. You know, if you have the AirPods, then you are very, very familiar with this setup. You also have some iPod information here, and you have your warranty, your limited warranty, 1-year warranty on that. And you also have the Apple sticker. And you also have the Apple sticker. Now we know that if you don't have the Apple sticker, then it's just not complete. Now, last but certainly not least, let's move this out the way. And last but not least, we have the Apple HomePod itself. I bet you had no idea that underneath this Under Armour cap is the Apple HomePod. Let's bring it over here, set it right here. Get some focus action going on. All right, so you can see the device right here. Now this is space gray, even though it definitely looks like it's black. You know, it's made out of that mesh material. You know, when I first saw this, it reminded me of a spool of string. You know, but to tell you one thing, this sucker is heavy. Look at this. I can do curls with this thing. What is this, about 9 or 10 pounds? Yeah, this is very heavy. All right, so like I said, it has the mesh fabric design. It's powered by Apple's A8 chip. It has a high excursion woofer, 6 microphone array, and a 7 tweeter array. Wow, this is pretty cool. Look at this. You can already see my fingerprints from when I did that unboxing video right there. This is nice. Right on the bottom, you have the Apple logo right here. Apple logo right there. Even the power cord, it's like it's made of the same mesh material as the HomePod speaker itself, or the speaker fabric design. All right, very nice. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and set this device up. Very beautiful, very attractive device. Definitely a lot heavier than my Amazon Echo devices. And it's a good size. I mean, I thought it might be a little bigger, or it seemed that it was a little bigger, but it's a pretty good size. And one thing about it, it's very, very heavy, very solid. This thing is not going no place. Once you put it down, it's down. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and set this device up, give it a test run. All right, so what we're doing now, we just go ahead and setting up the HomePod. And as you can see, it's a very easy process. So if you purchased the AirPods, then you are very familiar with this screen right here. All you have to do is put it close to the device, and it automatically sets it up for you. Check it out. That's it.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, play down time.
Playing downtime.
This thing is loud. Now the cool thing about it is it'll still hear me give it a command, even though it's as loud as it is. Watch this. Hey Siri, stop. You see that? Even though the volume, I think it said 100%. Hey Siri, set volume at 100%.
Okay, I've changed the volume.
All right, I'm gonna play it again. So hold on to something. Hey Siri, play down time. All right, right here you have your volume down buttons, and you have your volume up buttons right here. If I tap right here, I can pause the playback, and if I tap it again, it'll play. That's pretty cool. If I press and hold, I can initiate Siri. What time is it?
Sorry, I don't understand.
What time is it?
The time is 14:32.
That's pretty good. So I'll pause it, stop it, just like that. Right, let's give it some other commands. Hey Siri, what time is it?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Really? Let's try that again. Maybe you didn't understand me. Hey Siri, what time is it?
The time is 15:22.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I don't think you'd understand a joke in my language. They're not so funny anyway.
I don't know, try me. Hey Siri, set a reminder to go to the grocery store at 6 o'clock.
Okay, I added go to the grocery store to the reminders for today at 1800 hours.
Hey Siri, change the studio color to blue. You'll
All
see.
set.
You can see my little colors behind my speaker. Let's have some more fun with that. Hey Siri, change the color to orange.
Got it.
Hey Siri, change the color to green.
Okay.
Hey Siri, change the color to blue.
All set.
Hey Siri, change the color to red.
That's done.
Hey Siri, change the color to white.
Okay.
Pretty good. Hey Siri, read my last text message.
I found your most recent message from 69,877.
Don't even know what that means.
UPS HTTP :
Oh, that was the HomePod delivery text message. All right, hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. Yeah, we don't need to hear all those numbers. But so we'll read your last text message. That's one of the things I'm not thrilled about with this device, is because anybody can walk up to it and they can read your last text message, I guess your notes as well, you know. But there's a feature, you can turn that feature off. Let's go to HomeKit. Well, here we are right here. Let me back out of that. Done. I don't want any of that. Let's go up here to the location button, hit that. And where are we? Let's see. Click on my picture, goofy looking picture. And right where it says personal requests, you can go ahead and turn that off. Hey Siri, read my last message.
You can turn personal requests on or off in the Home app associated with this HomePod.
All right, so there now that feature's turned off, and so you don't have to worry about anybody coming up to your HomePod listening to your messages, you know. But you know, since mine is going to be in my office, I don't mind that feature being enabled, because I'm pretty much going to be the only one in here for the most part, so it's okay, you know. Besides, my text messages are so boring anyway. It doesn't matter who hears them or who does not hear them. It's one thing hearing this thing on the camera, and it's another thing hearing it in person. Once you hear this thing in person, you're going to be blown away. You know, maybe you can go to the Apple store and of course and check it out, or if you have a friend that has one, go over his house or her house and check it out. The sound on this device is absolutely amazing. I am very, very happy with my purchase just for that feature alone. I mean, I'm not hung up on the Spotify or these other things that it does not do, because mainly I use either Apple Music or I'm listening to my satellite radio. So those are pretty much the two devices that I use to listen to music anyway. So I'm not a big or heavy user of Spotify and these other streaming services. So I'm very happy with this. But anyway, at the Apple Store, this baby is $349. I know, I guess later this year, there are going to be some updates where you can have two. You know, which it'll be interesting. I don't know if I'm willing to put another $350 in another one of these devices, but this one right here will definitely serve the purpose of this office anyway. And wherever you place this device at, whether it's in your office or whether it's in your living room, I mean, it's going to adjust itself to its surroundings, so it's going to give you the best sound possible. you know, and exactly what it's doing. So, hey, I'm very happy with this. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and go crazy on that like button. Please subscribe to the TechFit360 channel if you haven't already done so. And also, please connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All right, everybody, thank you so much, man. Please be sure to leave me some comments. Let me know what you think of this device. Let me know if you feel that it's worth the $350 price tag, or go ahead and tell me what is your favorite smart speaker. All right, this is Dan, TechFit360, and I will see you in my very next video. Thanks for watching.